All right, I can't walk on it because it's still wet, but this is what we just finished up in Delaware. 2.5 car garage. We have some faux wood and some metallic marble in the middle. And this is Crackmetics at www.crackmetics.com or on Facebook at www.facebook.com/Crackmetics. If you want something like this in your garage or your basement, you can combine systems. The wood is a cement overlay with a clear coat epoxy, and it's hand stained. The parking areas are, it's a neat coat epoxy with 2 colors of red and some black mixed in. We call it metallic marble. And boy, is it beautiful.